Guys, nandito nga pala kami. Kasama ko nga pala ang buong PDEA team. Meron nga pala kaming re-respond din sa Valenzuela. So meron na kaming go signal kay Major Clemente Mayores. Ayan. Yes, I hope you're the valley of the shadow of death. I take a look at my mother, they're gonna die, it's not that.
Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that
Jesus, mama, please, and the God is up.
but I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it.
Yes.
He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You let him out where you're walking, or you and your homies popping line and chalk.
Pag sinabi natin babae, dakmahin nyo na kaagad. Kung pwedeng putukan nyo na.
In the pistol smoke room, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
Kay SPO de la Cruz, SPO3 de la Cruz, wag mo nang paporma yun pag lumukot. Piray mo na. Kunti Mayor, pag nakita mo kaagad, dakmahin mo kaagad ha. Padapain mo ha.
Look at the situation they got me facing.